Hi and Assalamu alaikum guys. My name is Yasir Fazal and in today's project management knowledge broadcast I'm going to discuss about how projects actually drive the change. So let us start this session. In order to grasp the concept of driving the change, we can utilize the following diagram. So first thing first, every organization have some kind of business value and organizations thrive to increase that business value. That business value will always be increased with respect to time. At any given point, organization has some sort of state, and that state can be named as a current state. Now, whenever an organization would like to increase its business value, it means that they want to achieve some kind of futuristic state. In order to achieve the futuristic state or a future state, organization will initiate some kind of a project which will drive the change from the current state to the future state. In these projects, lots of project activities will be performed, and after the successful completion of those activities, project will be closed with a successful achievement of a futuristic state. I am hopeful like you guys have now understood the concept of projects as a drive changers. Please do like my video. Please do like my channel. Please please join my WhatsApp group. Please join my Facebook Facebook page. Thank you.